Hello, welcome to today's video. You may have heard that, hey, we cannot use Solid because there is no ecosystem. Today in this video I'm gonna show you why that is not true, because you can easily integrate any vanilla JS library into Solid without any wrapper. You can just create the wrapper yourself within just a few lines of code. And for this purpose I chose Selecto, because that has recently been on the Discord help channel for Solid. It would be so great to have a wrapper for this, and I'm going to show you how you can implement this and integrate this with just a few lines of code. So what is Selecto? Selecto is a library that allows you to create this rectangle. When you click your mouse and drag it, and you can select elements within the drag area. And we're gonna install this in our freshly started Solid Start project. And we're gonna create a new component that we use as a wrapper. And for this purpose, I'm gonna make just a simple parent component that has children as props. And we're gonna create a ref. We're gonna use an unordered list element. And then add this ref to the element here. And also add a little bit of base styling for later. So, and now we're gonna bring in the library, initialize it, use the function that we should call the on function that you see in this example right here. So this on function provides a way to do something with the elements that got selected. And we're just gonna copy this code in. And we bring it into our onMount hook. onMount is a lifecycle hook that allows you to run code when the element or the component is mounted, and it runs only once. And onMount also ensures that this ref here is set. That's why I use this bang operator. And now I'm gonna bring in Selecto. So we're gonna remove that stuff here. Don't need this. And as selectable targets, we just use any list element for this example here. Oopsie, remove the T. And we don't need this. So, and we need to import Selector as well. Right. And this should be good to go. Now we can decide if we want to mount or add this to the document body. So you can create those track triangles everywhere, but we just use it inside our ref. So we just take this ref, put it in here, and now Selector is applied to our wrapper only and not to the whole document body. So here this hit rate, we make this 0 because our elements are not so big. So this is the how much the track area has to overlap with the element. We make this 0. And because we use Tailwind, we also don't add a class. We add a data attribute, which we can use then to style the selected elements later. So, and now we also add a cleanup call to clean up the function when we unmount the component. Therefore, we use the onCleanUp hook and say, yeah, selector.destroy, so we clean everything up. So, this should be good to go. Let's have a look. So we bring in the wrapper here, and now we're going to use a D4 component, and then we render a bunch of elements. So we're gonna just render the index +1, and this should be good to go. Now the app is already started, so let's have a look at our app, and we see we got 100 elements here, and now we can already see that we can drag it, but we can't see any styling yet. And we add this now because what we should be able to see that we have some data selected attributes true here, okay, for the elements that we've just selected. So we're gonna add this for Tailwind. Let me say data. So if data is selected, we bring in background color sky 700 for these elements. And now when we select them, you see the background. So you see, not a big hassle. We just needed to initialize the library, do something with it and clean it up. And that's how you can integrate any vanilla JS library into Solid Start. So if anyone says to you, hey, you can't use it because the ecosystem is not there, you show him this video or say, hey, not true. I can show you how you can easily integrate any library, actually, any vanilla JS library. So the ecosystem is huge. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and if you want, you can also leave a comment about what should be the next topic I should cover. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.